Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coderslobby. So in today's video we are going to see how we can change the data type of a column. So along with this change the data type of column, we are going to see how we can clone the structure of a data table, and also we'll see how we can load a data from one data table to other data table. So without wasting any time, let's move to the UI path. There I will try to implement the query to change the data type and to clone the data table and to load the data from one data table to another data table. Okay, so we are in the UiPath studio now. Here you can see, as usual, we are using the read range activity to read the data table from the Excel file. And in this log message activity, we have the LINQ query which we learned in the previous session to get the data type of a column. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend you to watch that video first and then come to this video. And so let's move to the example in this video to change the data column of to change the data type of a column. So for that, we'll clone the structure of this data table using .clone method. Now let's see what are the columns which are available in this data table. So for that, I'm just debugging this code to show you the data columns which are available in this dtTable. So you can see we have the region column, we have the representative column, we have the item, we have the units, and also unit cost. So I'll stop this. So now we have the structure of this same dt underscore table in this dt result. So I'll take one more assign activity, and in this table I'll use columns units dot data type method, and I want to change the type into double. So for that I'll use System.Double method, and there is one more column called units unit cost. So for this also I'm going to change it into the double. So as of now it is in the System.Object, so I'm going to change it into the double. Copy this same activity, just change the column name unit cost. So in this way, if I will run this code, you will see that in dt result variable we have changed the column of this column. We have changed the type of column units and unit cost. So let me debug this code. So as you can see, initially we have units as System.Object, but as of now we have units as System.Double, and unit cost previously it was System.Object, and now it is System.Double. So this is how we can change the column type of data table. So let's load the data from this data table dt underscore table to dt result. So for that, again we will take one more assign activity, and here we will take dt result, and inside this we'll write a LINQ query from row in dtTable.AsEnumerable. Select. Now we'll select the table in which we want to load the data. We'll use load data row method. Inside new object, and here we will use a boolean variable, and at last copy to data table, and inside this curly braces we will pass the column names. So the rows I have already written into this notepad, so I'll copy this and I'll come here and paste it here. So you can see we are doing row dot field of object and passing the column name over here, and we are converting this to double to store the value into the double data type column. So I will OK this, and here what I'll do an output data table activity to show you this, to show you the output of this data table. Go here, paste it here, and inside this I'll pass a variable return text. I'll use the message box activity. Okay, so this is done. Let me debug the code again. So you can see this is the data table after changing the data type of this column units and unit cost. So let me click OK, and also you can see here we have the column type as units as system.double and unit cost as system.double. So this is all about this video, how we can change the data type of column, how we can clone the structure of one data table to other data table, how we can load the values from one data table to other data table. I hope this example is clear for you. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Whenever we post the new videos to our channel, you'll get the notification first.